Hi guys, what's up? So, as you can see from the title of this video, I will be getting my eyelashes done for the first time. Yes, I'm gonna get eyelash extensions. I've wanted to do it for the longest time. So finally, after months, I made an appointment at a place pretty close by. It was recommended by somebody, so hopefully it's good. I'm actually getting just a classic set. I don't want anything too crazy. I just want to have longer lashes and not have to put mascara on every day, basically. So before you continue watching this video, make sure hit that subscribe button to see more videos of me doing random stuff, because once again, I have not done anything like this on my channel before. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I'm actually getting ready to leave in a few minutes to head there, and I think I'll take you guys along the way. I'm definitely going to try and take some like clips while I'm there if I don't fall asleep on the bed or whatever like you're lying on, because I heard it's like an hour to 2 hour process, which definitely caught me off guard. Didn't really expect that. So let's hope that I don't fall asleep and I actually get a little bit of footage for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna head there now, and I'll see you when I'm there. I'll see you when I leave. We'll see. So I just made it, and this place is so nice. Even the bathroom, even the bathroom is trendy looking. So I have to wash my eyes and then just get rid. I'm not wearing any makeup anyway, but then I just have to get rid of whatever is around. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, all done, and I'm now ready for them to start.
2 hours later.
Hey, I suck, but I'm back home now, and I don't even know if you can see from this far away, but I will show some more up close like shots of my eyelashes. I got them done. It definitely was as long as everyone says it is. I was sitting in the chair for I think 2 hours and 10 minutes, and that's because they apply each lash individually. So of course I understand that would take a lot of time, especially if you want a good job done. That does take time as well. So this is the finished product. I'm actually extremely happy with them. I think that they look pretty natural, which is of course what I wanted. In terms of the actual procedure, I wish I had someone else there to like record for me, because I couldn't do it by myself for obvious reasons. My eyes, I feel like, were glued shut the whole time. So I was just lying there with my eyes closed for like 2 hours. So to be completely honest with you, I'm not 100% sure what exactly that they do. I would have to look up a video myself, but I do know that all of the lashes goes on individually, and it's just like a long and lengthy process. Something definitely longer than I'm used to, but definitely well worth it. I paid $110 for the set that I got, and honestly that might sound like a lot, but due to the fact of the actual work that they're doing, that was a lot better in price than some of the other places that I've looked up, which were pushing like 200. So I could definitely live with 110. And if I get it done, say every month, month and a half, for me, it's not that big of a deal. I have a job, I pay for all of my own stuff, and that's what I'm choosing to treat myself on. So yeah. What I initially wanted was just a classic set, something that looks natural, but I ended up getting the mixed full set, which I believe is a blend between like the classic and like a Russian set. Naturally, I don't have very thick, long lashes, and I don't have, like, I have lashes of course, but I don't have like a lot of lashes. Like, there's not really any volume to my lashes, I just have lashes. So basically what they do is, whoever's doing your lashes, they're gonna look at your eye shape and like what your natural lashes look like to determine like what looks best on you. So the girl that I went to actually did a great job and thought that this would look better on me, just a blend between classic and Russian, just to give me definitely a lot more length, a lot more volume, which that's exactly what I was going for. And in terms of the process, I already said it does take a while. I think that's just universal. It is a long process. I even Googled it and that says an hour 45 to 2 hours. So I think that's pretty standard for the kind of like procedure that sounds like something medical, but you get what I'm saying. For the kind of work that's being done, that's a pretty standard amount of time. They last about 3 to 4 weeks. I actually didn't get a chance to ask her what the maintenance is for the lashes, which is kind of dumb because clearly there has to be some way that you would take care of them. But I did do some research on my own. So a few things that I found out was for the first 24 to 48 hours, you don't want to put any water on them at all. So just leave them alone, let the glue set in, because if you start putting any liquids on them, especially like an oil-based cleanser, that will immediately start to break down the glue. So you want to just leave them alone for at least 24 hours, 48 being the best, so that the glue can set, your lashes will be good, and you don't have to worry about the glue loosening way too soon. So make sure you give them enough time to set and you can continue with all of your normal like cleansing. But the only thing I definitely would say and recommend is probably to still be wary of like anything that's oil based that you might use on your face. Me personally, I have oily skin. I don't tend to use anything really that's oil based on my skin. I believe the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm, that could be oil based just from the consistency. I feel like it is, but other than that, that's the only oil based product that I use. And when I do use it, I completely avoid my eye area. So I'd go around and like down to the bottom like here, and then that's it. And then I'll wipe it off and then wash my face as normal. I think even for cleansing the lashes themselves, I don't want to use like just a normal cleanser that I use on my face, because even that cleanser breaks down like say waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and stuff like that. And I just want to use something that's just gentle and I can just get in there with a little soap and water, just to avoid any like buildup from dirt and oil that might settle in the base of the eyelashes, because you do want to keep them clean, because nobody wants an eye infection. I think that's pretty much all of it. I am going to show you some close-up shots of what my final lashes look like. Again, they do last about 3 to 4 weeks, so next month sometime, maybe around the same time, I am planning on going back, depending on how they hold up, of course, to get a fill. And I don't really see myself stopping doing this anytime soon, just because I've already noticed how much time that it saves me. I'm no longer wearing mascara, and stupidly, even though I know I had my appointment, I bought a brand new Kat Von D eyeliner, which I am planning to save anyway, because you never know, I might want to wear it. Other than that, I don't plan on doing anything else to my eyes, because I feel just with the lashes, it definitely opens up my eyes a little bit more. They make it a lot fuller. It's darker at the base anyway. I don't really feel the need to put on any eyeliner or anything like that. So I think that's probably everything in regard to my first time getting eyelash extensions. Again, I'm really happy with it. And if you're going for your first time to get eyelash extensions, hopefully this kind of gave you a little bit about what to expect. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hopefully it was informative, gave you a little bit of insight on what to expect. And yeah, so this video is kind of late. I made another excuse last week. This is another excuse as well. Trying to come up with more video ideas. This one I actually came up with on the spot right before I went to go get my lashes done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see all of you next time. Bye.